Registration number from Vagdevi Degree College. Come on to the stage, please.
Right? So I want you to sit back side of me, like you face that side and for answers. Right? You can sit back side. Because I want to see my candidate face. My candidate sit north and face the answers. Right now introduce yourself Fardeen.
Good afternoon, sir. I am from Vagdevi Degree.
Sorry to interrupt you Fardeen. Please recall
Myself, Muhammad Fardeen Ahmed.
Fardeen.
Yes, sir.
Recall my sayings first, then respond. What I said, please recall. When I said Vastu, to which direction I asked you to face, please check it out and say
Sir,
according.
sir, I don't know what about was.
Fardeen, please don't say that. You are coming up the final round of Star of May. That is not now and say it fast. Okay, no issue. I am giving you a chance to introduce yourself fast.
I am the youngest son of my family, and my father name is Muhammad Mehboob Ali, and my mother name Shaheen Sultana, and my father is a businessman, and my mother is a housewife. Myself, I like more and more cricket, and I am a district player, and I like cricket very much. From my childhood, I used to see cricket and play, and cricket is like, I think everyone like most of the game cricket. Yes.
Okay, Fardeen. Your skills are problem solving skills. You mentioned you can solve the problems, whatever situations you face. So what is problem solving skill actually?
Problem solving is like problem. If I suppose I'm an employee in a organization, right? So problem we can see each and every time. In each and every part we can see problem solving is there. We need to have the capability of problem solving. Okay, problem solving.
Not as an employee. If you are, how can you manage your team, and how can you solve the problems of individual employees under you who are working?
See, problem solving, like mechanical department. Problem comes in the department. As a manager, I choose the best.
Okay, I'll give you example for me right now.
Okay, sir.
Right now, from the audience, 4 girls came to you and gave a love proposal. A, B, C, D. I'm giving you 4 options, but you are having only one chance to select only one. Now, how do you solve this? I asked you, I don't know how to select it out, A, B, C, D.
See, my future partner, same as my mother.
Mental. Psychological.
The word mother itself says everything, right?
No, I don't know. Maybe from Karimnagar. You are from Hanmakonda. So somebody from Karimnagar come and give a love proposal. You don't know about them. Now on this spot, automatic subject in your BBA course. Which you are perfect.
Perfect or problematic?
Problematic subject, which you are perfect. Or you are comfortable at least. Comfortable.
Comfortable, management, marketing.
No, I'm speaking about problematic subject.
So, statistics.
Statistics. Can you give me some 5 statistical formulae? I'm not good at statistics, don't worry.
Same.
Somebody can correct me from mathematics department.
Me too, sir. Same.
Yeah?
Same.
That's what you have told that at least some 5 statistical formulae.
Statistics. 1 by 2 plus r square.
What is that? Now you are the finalist of Star of Meta Fardeen. Please be attentive and answer fast. Okay, do you think that you will be the Star of Meta?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me the answer of this 5 statistical formulae.
In stats we can see mean, median, mode. Okay. Some of the observations by 2. Formula of mode.
What are your strengths?
My parents.
Your weakness?
Even weakness also counts.
both will be same. Weakness as well, strength.
Weakness, I can say discouragement. By discouragement, I could lack down, backward.
What are your hobbies?
Hobbies, playing outdoor games, watching movies, and
What type of movies do you watch?
Hollywood, Bollywood,
Who is the best actor in Hollywood?
Hollywood, Tom Cruise,
Which movie you have seen in the latest Hollywood movie?
Hollywood. Right now I'm watching Marvel series. Like first was Iron Man 1. So, first Marvel film was Iron Man 1. Tom Hood, which was the hero of Iron Man. It was starting basic one.
Tell me something about Oscars.
Oscar
Awards.
Oscar Awards.
Yeah.
Oscar Awards. Oscar, I can say the best.
Okay, just we'll come back about to Oscar Awards. Are you Syed Mashooq Rabbani or Mohammad Fardeen Ahmad?
Muhammad Fardeen.
No, the organizer asked you to even come for a written resume. You change your friend's Mashooq Rabbani's resume and come back.
Yes.
Why so? You can write a resume. They asked you to come here with a written resume also.
There was no time from that second round to third round.
So you are not confident that you will be going to final round of this Star of Maida.
No, I was confident.
Then you could have prepared a written resume in the morning session itself. Or at least a type, if not a type, at least a written resume. So how best you are compared to the previous candidate of Star of Maida?
Since I think she's
Just compare yourself. Only one word.
by God's grace I'm fine.
No, only one word I asked you. Please, Fardeen. Only one word.
Comparing to that first
Previous one, yeah.
previous.
Just one word you tell me.
I think little bit more.
One word. एक मैं क्या हिंदी में बताऊँ क्या आपको?
No.
एक खाली एक वर्ड यूज करो. Comparison.
Fine.
Okay, thank you from my side.
You have mentioned here your experience.
We can do by from anywhere marketing and advertise.
Marketing in social media, you are
Yes.
saying. Is it digital marketing?
Yes.
Then how can you say it's marketing
No.
job?
At marketing advertisement and issuing the vouchers and still more.
Difference between social media and advertising.
Social media is a platform where I think both is almost same. Social media and advertisement.
What is the best moment you have in your life till now?
Best moment.
No moments.
No, there are so many.
So many will be there. Only one best moment.
One
must
best
be.
moment. Recently, I have participated in same event like Dhruva College of Management in Hyderabad lecture, where I got second place in category of IPL bidding. That was some extraordinary moment for me.
What is your worst experience or bad experience you have?
Worst experience. There was a scene that I was with my uncle. Okay, I was with my uncle and near to the petrol pump. He was when Paul came. So we were stopped there. Okay, then he was while talking. I thought he used to fill up the petrol. Okay, so I have get down from the bike, but while talking to the person, he left from me and he went. From around 5 kilometers, I have walked from one place to another place. That was a bad scenario. That I was around 12 years old. That was very bad situation.
If you are appointed as a manager, how come you will prove that you are the best in that position?
In the work category, I could say I will give my 100% in each managing the work.
What is that 100%?
100% each and everything, like managing the work and controlling
How do you
the,
manage the work?
like seeing the employees and assigning the work, and they are doing at the right time, right job at right place.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Vasavi from Vivekananda Degree and PG College, 182 registration number. Please come on.
Vasavi, I am from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. I am an enthusiastic and determined girl. I have done my schooling in KGBV Sarangapur. I had completed my intermediate in Telangana State Model School, Kandlapalli. My future goal is to become an IAS officer. Thank you, sir.
Why IAS officer?
Sir, I think it is a job as dynamic as being a civil servant that will utilize all my capacities and capabilities.
What do you mean by dynamic?
Sir,
Do you think that you are dynamic?
yes, sir.
How come?
Sir, I can do more hard work, and also I have perseverance. So I'm a dynamic girl.
Vasavi,
Yes, ma'am.
you are from MPC background.
Yes, ma'am.
Right now you are pursuing your BSc,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
MSc CS.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how could you manage the things if you are appointed as a manager?
If I am appointed as a manager, I can manage the
What are the qualities of a manager?
ma'am, leadership, alertness, courageousness, perseverance, decisiveness, discipline, etc.
As you are from NCC, you
Yes.
have an NCC contingent leader.
Yes, sir.
Is he a leader or a manager?
Sir, leader, sir.
What's the difference between those two?
Sir, leader means who can control the team. Which manner is the sir we can sir encourage the people who are in the team. So this is the leadership. Sir, kabaddi for women it is 12 into 8 meters court, sir. Sir, from the end line, the bonus line is 2 meters, sir. Sir, from the bonus line, the back line is 1 meter, sir. From the middle line, the back line is 3 meters, sir.
What do you mean by empty ride?
Opposite court, he didn't get any point, but he cleared the back line. Then it is called empty ride.
So what is
Means when in the kabaddi court, there are 3 members are there. Then the tackle is attempted successfully. Then it is called a super tackle. It gains 2 marks, sir.
game of kabaddi?
Sir, gives the 2 points. So it increase the game, sir. I think.
Coming to your interest, you mentioned reading books, playing
ma'am.
games,
Yes,
singing and dancing.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
DJ Shabir.
read only Swami Vivekananda book?
Yes, ma'am.
Can't you? Any one quote I'm asking.
Education for characters.
Okay.
You have mentioned in your resume that your marital status is unmarried.
Yes, sir.
Why or Star of Meda?
Sir,
ఏదైనా వివాహం అవకాశం కోసం వచ్చారా, స్టార్ ఆఫ్ మేధా కోసం వచ్చారా?
Star of Meda, sir.
మరి అన్మ్యారీడ్ అని ఎందుకు మెన్షన్ చేశారు ఇందులో?
Sir, I'm not married.
అదే అన్మ్యారీడ్ అని మెన్షన్ చేయడం కదా, మీరు పెళ్లి చూపులకు రాలేదు కదా, స్టార్ ఆఫ్ మేధాకు వచ్చారు.
Yes, sir.
సో అన్మ్యారీడ్ అని ఎందుకు మెన్షన్ చేశారు?
Sir, it is my profile, sir.
అదేనా, అది ఎందుకు మెన్షన్ చేయాలి? వాట్ ద
It
యూస్?
tells our marital status, sir.
So what? If somebody first person has come married, second may be unmarried, you may be unmarried. So what's the difference? How it may difference, make me difference in declaring Star of Meda? నాకు మ్యారీడ్ అన్మ్యారీడ్ సంబంధం లేదు కదా.
Yes, sir.
Then why you have mentioned it out?
Sir, in any sir, resume contains all the details of the person. So I
No, just please be specific. Please be specific. Yes, unmarried and okay. One last question. So as your first kiss, when was kiss ముద్దు ఎప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ముద్దు ఎప్పుడు?
Sir, when I'm born,
అదే చెప్పండి ఇంకా క్లారిటీగా. ఎవరు పెట్టారా ముద్దు, ఎవరు పెట్టారు?
sir, my daddy.
ఫస్ట్ ముద్దు డాడీ పెట్టారా?
Yes, sir.
రైట్. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఏజ్ యాజ్ ఆన్ డేట్? మీ ఏజ్ చెప్పడానికి ఇంతసేపు టైం పడితే ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ డేట్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్?
Sir, 31/7/2004.
Date of birth. What is your date of birth?
31, sir.
Which month? Month.
Sir, July.
So the year
2004, sir.
2004. So did you think that you have crossed 18 years?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One last question. You said that,
Yes, sir.
but you are interested from like your resume is shown only in kabaddi.
Yes, sir.
Then why you have written playing games? You can write playing kabaddi only, no?
Sir, it comes under sport. The games means it can play for pleasure, sir. But the sports, it not play for pleasure, sir. It is the competition between two or more persons. So I also play the games, sir, for my pleasure, sir.
Mention your skill regarding leadership skills.
Yes, ma'am.
You have good leadership skills.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of skills do you have regarding?
Motivator, perseverance, ability to work hard.
Do leader require courage?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, if the leader is courageous, then the team is also strong, ma'am. So
What way?
if the team is strong, then we can do anything from the team members
Strong
and
in the
the
sense physically or mentally?
ma'am, physically and mentally. Yes, ma'am.
So only courageous.
No, ma'am. Courageous, discipline, dignity, respect, alertness.
Only that are required.
Some more are there.
What are they?
Equality,
Equality in what way?
ma'am. See any of the person in the team as equal, not one.
Do you know about brainstorming?
No, I'm not aware of that.
Then how come you become a manager?
By my hard work and also
Even leader need to have brainstorming skill also. Okay, only 2 languages are required. If you talk civils, then
Hindi is
these 2
also-
languages are enough for you to manage the things.
no, ma'am.
Then how come you overcome all those?
I will have to learn.
When will you learn? Already it is, you have crossed 18, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then itself only if you have talked, then how come you overcome to adapt all the languages at a time?
Ma'am, can you repeat once?
No, it is your problem that you need to listen to me carefully.
Sorry, ma'am.
One best quality so that I can judge you, or you are told that you are a good motivator.
Yes.
Now motivate us with one single word that you should be star of Meta. I did not understand.
It's a do or die.
What does that mean? So you are asking us to do or die, or you are telling yourself to do or die?
Sir, no, sir, I am telling that if I motivate someone, so I am
Please listen, Vasavi, what I am asking you. మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. Motivate us, both of us, with one word. that ఒక వర్డ్లో చెప్పండి మీ గురించి. మేము మోటివేట్ అయిపోయి మిమ్మల్ని స్టార్ ఆఫ్ మీద చేయాలి. ఓన్లీ వన్ వర్డ్. వై యు ఆర్ టు బి సెలెక్టెడ్, రైట్?
I am an enthusiastic
One
girl.
word.
Enthusiastic girl. I am Vasavi. I am an enthusiastic and determined girl. I have in KGBV Sarangapur. I have to become an IAS officer.
Taken a part of NCC.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that part?
Voluntary service. It is about one's own will, ma'am. It is the second army.
No, what I am asking, taken a part of NCC since 2022 you have mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that part you have done?
I am one person in NCC.
Just that it. You didn't attend any parade or RD?
Yes, ma'am. I am attended one camp, ma'am. That is CATC. Ma'am, I am daily attending the parades, ma'am. Combined annual training camp, sir. Yes, sir.
సిఐటిసి అంటే మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి.
Combined annual training camp, sir.
కరెక్ట్ అని ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి.
Yes, sir.
ఎన్సీసీ ఫుల్ ఫామ్.
National Cadet Corps.
ఎన్సీసీకి ఎన్ఎస్ఎస్కి డిఫరెన్స్.
Sir, NCC is the
ఎన్సీసీ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి.
National Cadet Corps.
క్యాడెట్
Corps.
స్పెల్లింగ్.
CORPS, sir.
వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఎన్సీసీ అండ్ ఎన్ఎస్ఎస్?
Sir, NCC, it is the voluntary service. It is about one can.
Only one difference between NCC and NSS.
Sir, NSS, the National Service Scheme, it is the service service of people, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Participant Sadia, registration number 60 from Trinity Degree College. Come on to the stage.
On the mic. You can sit, no issue. You can sit.
Good afternoon, sir.
Is it good afternoon now?
Sorry. Good evening.
Okay, is it good evening? Sit comfortably, no issue. आराम से बैठना, कोई टेंशन नहीं लेने का, खाली सिंपल. अभी गुड इवनिंग बोलते क्या? Please check it out once again. Okay, you just give your introduction first.
Thank you for having this wonderful opportunity.
Before that, can't you see me? You have mentioned only good afternoon, sir.
Sorry for that.
Okay, please stopping, madam. Don't think otherwise. Just stopping you. Let her complete. I can understand. Don't worry.
मेरा नाम सादिया, मैं पेदपल्ली ट्रिनिटी डिग्री कॉलेज में पढ़ती
College is an English word. I want it in Arabic. College is an English word. Arabic. No, I don't know Arabic, but I am telling you.
हूँ. Sorry for that. I don't know what this 8.8 GPA, and I completed my 10th in Crescent High School and secured 8.7 GPA. My short-term goal is to gain a job in Infosys company, and long-term job is to be settled in that company for a long time.
I have given a coconut like for a monkey. నా కోడి కొబ్బరి దొరికింది అలా నాకు ఇచ్చేసారు మీరు. Now what is this? Why specially you want to gain job? Now I want this meaning, gain job. Which graduate you are?
Under graduation,
No, which graduate course?
become CA.
Okay, then you said gain job. What is meant by gain then job? How you have mixed up this? Tell me.
Obtain. Obtain.
Gain means obtain. Now I need to open up a new dictionary for this, right? Suppose, if I'm not wrong, English faculty are there, even commerce and management. Madam, I think so. Gain means that now I need to open a new dictionary for that, meaning for that then. Okay, why Infosys?
Their employees even in Corona without any investment of
Many IT companies have done. Wipro has done. TCS done. Tata Computers has. Many have done it out. No, not only Infosys. Many companies. Even colleges in Karimnagar have done it out. So your own college, Trinity College, Peddapalli has done. They have given job and salaries to your faculty in Corona period also. They have done it. Now why you can't be a part of Trinity College? Now why you want Infosys?
maybe it is the company which had did without fail of any 1 month also.
Even I think so in Warangal also they have done it out.
I don't think so, sir. Because I know that it was
That is your opinion.
yeah, my opinion.
That is your opinion. You need to mention that clearly. What is this gaining again? Your strengths, weakness, your hobbies.
Hobbies I wrote.
Well, how
Not,
to? How to? Do?
I can't memorize it. And I inspired by that book.
What is the inspiration cause?
Changes in life.
Right, again one more question for female. What does it help here in gaining Star of Mela?
Actually, before writing,
Please just answer my question. How you mentioned that your gender is female.
Yeah.
How that it will help you to win this Star of Mela award? Will it help you
no,
as a gender?
no.
Then you need to mention it out.
That's what.
Right, okay, no issue. One more hobby you have written that gaining knowledge. Is gaining knowledge is a hobby? You are doing your graduation course for a hobby?
No.
Then how come gaining knowledge is a hobby? You have told that honestly you have said you yourself Google and you have written your resume.
Yes.
Okay, leave a good resume. As a BCom student, I'll just ask one simple question because we are running out of time. 2.5:1.
Yes.
You current ratio क्या है? Idea है ना आपको?
हाँ, मैम.
No, current ratio of a company is 2.5:1.
2 point. Good company.
ओके, करंट एसेट्स का मतलब क्या है बोलिए? एक एग्जांपल दीजिए करंट एसेट्स का.
Fixed assets like.
करंट एसेट्स का एग्जांपल दो मेरे को. ठीक है, मैं बोलता हूँ आपको एडवांस गिवन बाय द कस्टमर.
Advances. It's a liability. Asset.
Thank you, sir. It's over from my side.
Thank you.
And reward students for their sincere efforts in participating different competitions. It is indeed a proud moment not only for the recipients of the awards but also their colleges. So let's invite winners and runners of different competitions. I request our chairman sir to present awards to the winners and runners of different competitions. Sir, please come on to the stage for presenting awards. All the HODs of different departments to come on to the students. Come on to the stage to present awards to. First prize goes to Rizwan 417 registration number, Shaikh Ayaz, MD Rayon 419 registration from Vagdevi Degree and PG College. First prize for Havish Kar, Ayaz, Mohammad Rayon. Be ready. Second prize goes to Vivekananda Degree and PG College. The student names are CH Kunal, Arvind Reddy, Mani Sharan. CH Kunal 515, Arvind Reddy 516, Mani Sharan 230 registration number. Please come on to the stage to receive the awards. Second prize for Avishkar goes to CH Kunal, Arvind Reddy, Mani Sharan. Second prize goes to CH Kunal, Arvind Reddy and Mani Sharan from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. Shiva and team 712 registration number from Nizam College, Hyderabad. Second prize of film battle. I'm announcing the consolation prize. Be ready. Sumantriya and team 11 registration number from Trinity Degree College, Peddapalli. Sumantriya and team from Trinity Degree College, Peddapalli, please come on to the stage for receiving the award. Consolation prize goes to Sumantriya and team from Trinity Degree College, Peddapalli, 11 registration number. I'm announcing the next category, that is Adbhuta, a poster presentation. First prize goes to Akshita, 620 registration number from Akshaya Degree College, Karimnagar. Be ready here, come here to stage. For receiving. And second prize goes to G. Bhavani, 226 registration number from Apurva Degree College, Karimnagar. Adbhuta, second prize goes to G. Bhavani from Apurva Degree College, Karimnagar, 226 registration number. Please come on to the stage to receive the award. Prize goes to T. Srija, 49 registration number from Sri Chaitanya Degree College, Jagityal. Please come on up. Consolation prize goes to a number from Sri Chaitanya Degree College, Jagityal. Category, that is Data Devils. First prize goes to D. Vasavi, K. Pooja and K. Vaishnavi from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. For Data Devils goes to D. Vasavi, K. Pooja and K. Vaishnavi from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. I'm announcing the second prize for Data Devils. Please be ready. Come near to stage. Syed Mohammad Mia, 89 registration number. Please come on to the stage to receive the second prize for Data Devils. That is case study competition. Syed Mohammad Mia from Trinity College, Peddapalli for Data Devils category, that is Acumen, that is Ag Mania. First prize goes to Malati Kiran College. Please come on to the stage. I repeat. Second prize for Acumen Ad Mania goes to Sai Nikita, 661 registration number from Women's Degree College, Gurukul. Rajeshwari, Sanusha, Sridivya from Gurukul Degree College, Nagnur. Please come on to the stage for receiving the award. I repeat, Sai Nikita, Rajeshwari, Anusha and Sridivya. Please come on to the stage to receive the award from Gurukul College, Nagnur for second prize of Acumen. Make it fast, please. Please come on to the stage to receive the prize. It goes to Abhinaya from Vaniniketan College. Pratigriti, photography. First prize goes to B. Nikshipta from Gurukul College, Naganur. First Nikshipta from Gurukul College, Naganur. And second prize goes to Sai Harshit from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. Second prize goes to Sai Harshit from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. Please come on to the stage for receiving the award. Sai Harshit. Prize goes to L. Deepak 179 registration number from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. PG College for Kahaniwala. To R. Akshita 554 registration number from Vaniniketan College. Second prize for Kahaniwala goes to R. Akshita from Vaniniketan Degree College. That is Eureka Exhibit of Science. First prize goes to Hema from Gurukul College, Naganur. Please come on to the stage. Hema from Gurukul College, Naganur. Vivekananda Degree and PG College. Please come on to the stage for receiving the second prize. Yes, Lahari from Vivekananda College, come on to the stage for receiving the award for Eureka. Alfords Degree College for painting competition. Picasso, that is Shah from Akshaya College. Sri Varsha from Akshaya College for Picasso. Akshaya College. I'm announcing the next category, that is K. Sangeeta from Gurukul College, Naganur. K. Sangeeta from Gurukul College, Naganur. T. Navya from Vaniniketan Degree College. From Vaniniketan Degree College. Please come on to the stage. Announcing the next category, that is Peshit. First prize goes to Ratna Sai from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. Peshit goes to Ratna Sai, D. Ratna Sai from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. Please come on to the stage to receive the award. R. Srija from Trinity College, Peddapalli. Please come on to the stage. R. Srija from Trinity, bring the award. I'm announcing the next category, that is Prayojya Best Out of West. First prize goes to Ashrita, D. Ashrita from Vivekananda College. D. Ashrita. I'm announcing the second prize for Prayojya, that is Hajra from Trinity College, Peddapalli. Hajra. Second prize goes to Hajra from Trinity College, Peddapalli for Prayojya. Hajra from Trinity Degree College, Peddapalli, please come on to the stage to receive the award. Adbhuta, it is a theme-oriented ramp walk. First prize goes to Mohammad Faizan and team from Trinity Degree College, Peddapalli. Mohammad Faizan and team from Trinity College, Peddapalli for Adbhuta. from Vikas Degree College, and Manisha and team from Vagdevi Degree College, Hanamkonda. Please come on to the stage. Team from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. Next, Kushal and team from Vivekananda Degree. Song. 3. Second prize for Adbhuta, that is poster presentation. Arav Veda, can you tell me any expectations? Vasavi from Vivekananda Degree and PG College, Karimnagar. Vasavi from Vivekananda Degree and PG College. Can you tell us your experiences, Vasavi? Can you speak something?
It was so good. Whatever I had expected, I have tried my level best. I am from Telugu medium background. I am not. నేను అసలు ఇక్కడ వరకు వస్తా స్ట్రెస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ వరకు అని ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేను. నేను తెలుగు మీడియం బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ నుండి ఇట్ ఈస్ ద గుడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ టు మీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ గివ్ మీ దిస్ వాల్యుబుల్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
AO sir of Birla International School. Sir, please come on to the dais, sir. Hasibuddin sir, Administrative Officer of Birla International School. Sir, please come on to the stage, sir.
క్యాంపస్ బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ అవార్డ్ మీరు వెళ్ళిపోతే దొరకదు మళ్ళా. యూ సిట్ ఫర్ సమ్ మోర్ టైమ్. సిన్స్ మార్నింగ్ యూ ఆర్ వెయిటింగ్, యూ వెయిట్ ఫర్ 5 to 10 minutes. You get and most prestigious awards, active participation award and overall championship trophy also. You wait for 5 more minutes. It will be completed. 5 minutes. All the students.
Come on to the stage to receive this award. Receive this prestigious award. Next. First actiest registrations of this event are 230.
Stay back, all of you. Stay back. This is not for you. Sorry.
Overall championship trophy goes to Vivekananda. This is the most treasured category of this event.
Thank all the organizers for giving us a wonderful opportunity. Very small hiccups, no issue. We award. So congratulations to all the students who are sitting here, because right from day morning 10 o'clock to now, it's a tremendous discharge. And as per my knowledge, all the Trinitians, they have worked there. First cheer up for all the Trinitians who have done this work. effectively and then all the faculty members and all students, all other officials. Then I would like to thank my own college correspondent, chairman, principal, Professor Chandra Srinivas Garu, and all other faculty members, those that were there here, and especially thank all my mates. I told Trinity is college is our own college, so we need to participate, we need to show enthusiasm, we need to show all the performance, and right from last week, the day the Trinitians come to our college for promoting this meet on 23rd of this month, from 23rd February till now, all Vivekanandans have worked hard for this. Now this I have learned. I am sorry if Vivekanandan feel, but I need to say this I learned from one of my good friends, Dr. Praveen. Such type of program, Praveen also, because I will take the time of Praveen because he is my good friend. Praveen also do the hard work. He will take one your seniors or super seniors who have come to our meet, they have worked out. So they have worked for all week. So I have learned. Now I also do. Then I have taken inputs what the Praveen have done. Then the result is you have seen. So my sincere advice to all the student fraternity here is just concentrate, winners or runners or overall or active. Just concentrate on participation, just do hard work, automatically success comes to you. So once again I thank all the organizers and all my Vivekanandans for this overall championship and active participation. Thank you once again.
Next we have another students who have supported really well, so we want to give to this award for each college student who cooperated well with us. So I'm going to announce the names of the best campus ambassadors. Vivekananda Degree and PG College, please come on to the stage. S. Nishant from Vivekananda Degree and PG College, please come on to the stage for receiving Best Campus Ambassador Award. College Peddapalli, 60 registration number. Please come on to the stage for receiving Best Campus Ambassador Award. Next, C.H. Shivani from Degree College. Syed Rizwan, Degree College Warangal. Please come on to the stage for receiving Best Campus Ambassador Award. Next, S. Sai Shiva from Nizam College, Hyderabad. S. Sai Shiva from Nizam College, Hyderabad. Next, Sadika Muskan from Trinity College, Karimnagar. Next, Syed Rizwan from Vagdevi Degree College. It's over. Next, from Sai Shiva from Nizam College, Hyderabad. Next, Sadika Muskan from Trinity College, Karimnagar. G. Ravali, Gummadi Ravali from Vani Niketan College. Please come on to the stage. G. Ravali from Vani Niketan College. Next, T. Manideep from SRR Degree College. T. Manideep. Next, K. Sai Rishikesh from Sri Chaitanya College, Karimnagar. Sai Rishikesh. Sai Rishikesh from Sri Chaitanya College, Karimnagar. Muskan, Trinity College, Karimnagar. Trinity Degree College. Sadika Muskan. T. Manideep from SRR College. Rishikesh from Sri Chaitanya College, Karimnagar. K. Sai Rishikesh. Next, from Sri Chaitanya Degree College, Jagityal. From Shivani Degree College, Karimnagar. Sai Shravya. From NSV Degree College, Jagityal. Mohammad Sohail. From NSV Degree College, Jagityal. From Nalanda Degree College, Jagityal. Sriram. Mohammad Sohail from NSV Degree College, Jagityal. S. College, Jagityal. Next, Mohammad Sohail from NSV Degree College, Jagityal. Be fast, dear students. Make it fast. Next, P. Nikita, Alfords Degree College. J. Rashmika from Women's Degree College. J. Rashmika from Women's Degree College. Next, Rafi from Apurva Coeducation. From Apurva College of Coeducation. Rafi. Rafi from Apurva College of Coeducation. G. Roshni from Apurva Women's Degree College. G. Roshni from Apurva Women's Degree College, please come on to the stage. Next, B. Likita from Gurukul College, Nagunur. B. Likita from Gurukul College, Nagunur. B. Likita from Gurukul College. So please come on to the stage. Director of ATG Goli Soda. Anytime Goli Soda. ATG Goli Soda. K. Sandeep Garu, Managing Director of Valmiki Foreign Educational Services for Karimnagar branch. Sir, please. Support. Director of SIG Overseas Career Guidance. Naveen Garu, Managing Director of Karimnagar branch for Thick Sheet Factory. Kitchen Catering Services. Sir Garu from Reddy's Kitchen and Catering Services. Please come on to the stage, sir. Next, sir. Thank you for your support, sir. Sharon Garu from Ojas Immigration, please come on to the stage, sir. Thank you, sir. All NPS staff come on to the stage, please. All NPS faculty members, please come on to the stage.
Prashant from Bender.